Girl Kiara Shared, and you are tuned into Savvy Lifestyle TV.
When it blows. I just handle it. I mean, not to make it sound like it's easy. Sometimes, you know, you can be a bit discouraged while you're coming up, but the Lord somehow, He always reminds me of my purpose. Mom's purpose was different than mine. And I think that once we have an understanding that we are not a clone of anyone, otherwise there would be no point in us being here, then there would, you know, those kind of pressures you can kind of take on a little bit better. And it goes back to Nana when she tells me you'll understand it better by and by. You know, so I definitely would say, and then my mom is just so supportive. Both of my parents, Bishop J. Drew Sheard and my mom, Karen Clark Sheard, they're both supportive and they're pushing me to do what I want to do. However, when something is a little too edgy, they'll say, hello, you know, bring it back in. Like, Daddy thinks my hair is too worldly. But I'm going to keep my hair blonde. I like it. But to answer your question, I kind of just learned from my mom and my aunt. And I ask them questions, and I kind of take nuggets from what they've done and put it into my little thing so that it can be a mixed element. And that way I can kind of target both audiences, where it's the, you know, the seasoned folk, and then it's the younger crowd. And I think that makes you know, artists more versatile and being able to relate to everybody. So that's how I kind of take on the pressures of it, and I think it's working out good.